theta is equal to 0 degree. In our formula, u is equal to negative p vector e vector, which is equal to negative pe cos theta. Okay, shift this arrangement of a dipole and place it in the presence of the uniform electric field. As you can see, the angle between vector P and vector E is 0 because both P vector and E vector are parallel to each other. Okay, so substituting this value of theta is equal to 0 in the formula of potential energy, we have cos 0 degree. What is cos 0? 1. Therefore, u is minimum with negative PE as its value. And the angle is 180 degrees. So now I place this arrangement here. I hope you can understand this arrangement very clearly, where E arrow is towards one side, P arrow direction is towards the opposite side, such that theta is equal to 180 degrees between them, and we get P, E directions are anti-parallel. This was parallel, this is anti-parallel. This equilibrium is unstable. Equilibrium. Substituting the value, negative PE cos 180 degree, we get U max. Maximum potential energy is equal to negative PE cos 180 is again negative 1. So negative negative becomes positive. The answer is PE positive. So U max, that is maximum potential energy. Okay, let us place this arrangement in the uniform electric field such that the angle between P vector and E vector is 90 degree, as you can see in the diagram. Fine. So I'll just substitute U is equal to negative PE cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So U is equal to 0. So potential energy is 0 when theta is equal to 90 degree between P vector and E vector.